A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You ready for dead? No, seriously. You ready for dead? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends them. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, then go ahead, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right, yes, so. Today, I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Philippians, DEM, chapter 3, from verse 1 to verse 11. My brother and sister, them are the last in them when I have to say. I pray say Jesus Christ will make you well happy. I know nothing for me right to know about the same thing them over and over again. Matter of fact, them will help keep you safe too. Me I wanna know. Watch out for the dog hard people them. Watch out for them. Them are all wicked. Watch out for them man, they will always a cut up them body. But are we are the people who really get circumcised? Not them. We are the one who worship God in the spirit. Praise Christ Jesus. And not both off about who we be. Me depend upon God. Even though me have enough sitting where me could have boast about, if me did want boast. If nobody thinks they have nothing to boast about, me have enough more. For my mother and father born Israelite. Me come from Benjamin tribe of people them. Me a Hebrew in every way. When it come to the law, me a one Pharisee we do everything where the law say fi do. Me did so serious fi do when me think God did say fi do. That me used to make Jesus people them suffer bad. Cause me did think them did a go against God. When it come to do what the law say, nothing never left when me never do. So nobody couldn't point no finger upon me. But all of them sitting there when me used to depend upon for make me right in a God eye, then come in like garbage now. They no make no sense now that me and Christ Jesus close. But I know that. Me see say all of them sitting there no what nothing. Then can't come close to the power we come when you know me Lord Jesus Christ. When you know Jesus Christ, nothing at all can come close to that. Everything else come in like garbage to me now. Me give up everything forget for know Christ Jesus. And that are the only thing that matter to me now. I want Jesus to take full control of me. Body and soul. Me nah depend upon nothing what the law say. Or what me can do to make myself right in a God eye. Me I depend upon the right thing them where Jesus do. Cause to get right in a God eye, you have to depend only upon what Jesus do. All me care about I to know Christ Jesus. And that the power we making come back alive will work in me. I want to can go through anything when me have to suffer for do what God want me to do. Same like how Christ Jesus go through where him did suffer for do what God did want him to do. and same like how him dead for the right reason. Me make up my mind for dead for him too. So that in a some kind of way, me can end up amongst the one them we come back alive after them dead. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.